Alright, there it is. This just came in the mail. The Zoom loop exhaust. Let's unbox it. Woohoo. The box is so small. The little header. Let's go. And the loop. Oh shoot. That's so funny. And of course, the muffler. We'll open that in a second. And the springs. Of course, a sticker. Let's go. Let's open this exhaust. There we go, you ready? Oh, nice. Oh, that's so cool. That's awesome. Look at that thing. Oh, I like the way it looks. Oh, that muffler looks cool. Wow, you're in the muffler. Looks like an eye. Anyway, I like this little bend here. It adds a little flair. The welding looks really good. Looks like a stack of coins, the way it should look. And yeah, like the welding is beautiful. That's cool. So that is the muffler. And let's set these up so I can take a picture. Super cool. Alright, so there it is. Everything is in the box. You got your header, your loop, and then the piece that connects the muffler to the loop. And you got your hardware, got your springs, 2 springs, and your bolt. So what else to do but go and install it, boys. Let's go do it.